All right, so we'll be looking at the chain params. So what we'll do right now is change this the time from up, put S to coin began today. Today, today. Can you can leave that today, or you can put date. Today date. You can add today's date, which is 19 January 1901 2020 at 16:00 p.m. Wow, we can have that. Then we'll go down. Before we go down, what we'll do before we go down, you create a space here. Then we're going to add our code that will mine a new block that will start a new block for us. So I have the source code. You can add this from here, copy from here. I'll put that in the channel where you can copy it. Copy, and then come back, then add. So I've added it. Here. So we added it before the ending. That's here. The ending of this file, which is here. So we added it at the bottom of this particular. We added it here at the bottom. Here, it's kind of simple. Then we have to come here. BIP16. BIP16. We are going to put BIP16 to be in this our own. We're going to make BIP16 be at block 0. BIP16 is going to start at block 0. So that's what we're going to do. So the hash is going to be at block 0. So let's say we don't know yet. You can leave it until you generate the genesis block. You can say block 0. Then this BIP, let's say at 200, BIP34. Since we don't have the hash rate yet for BIP34, what you need to do is to remove it totally. Okay, let's just remove this totally also. Remove it totally. So BIP69, our BIP69 should start from 388. 65, that BIP65, then BIP66 start from here. Then this height will start from here. Then this height will start from here. Then this height will start from here. This height is that of will start from here. This height. So we'll continue in the next video. So what we'll do is to just say Ctrl X to save. Yes, save. So go back. So we're going to start from the next tutorial. We're going to start from where we stop. And thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing to my channel. Thanks.